Hi, and welcome to the Volumetric Clouds tutorial. In D5.3, the cloud system has received a major upgrade, bringing more realistic, natural-looking results, along with greater flexibility and control. Let's jump into the scene. Navigate to Environment, Weather, and simply toggle the switch to turn on volumetric clouds. Once enabled, you'll notice that the panel is divided into three main sections: Cloud Presets, Cloud Layer Controls, and Global Controls. Click Presets to expand the panel, where you'll find 9 official cloud presets, each offering a unique look. Simply click a thumbnail to quickly switch between and preview different cloud styles. If you ever want to return to the classic cloud effect from earlier versions, just select the last preset, Legacy. The controls will automatically switch back to the legacy settings as well. Below the presets, you'll find the cloud layer controls. The new cloud system is inspired by real-world cloud formations and is divided into 3 layers: low clouds, middle-level clouds, and cirrus clouds. Each layer can be adjusted independently to control cloud coverage. For example, in this scene, we fine-tune the cirrus and mid-level clouds to create an overcast sky, while adjusting the low clouds to simulate clouds wrapping around the mountain. Next to the Amount slider, you'll see a button that opens the Advanced Settings panel. Here, you can adjust 5 key parameters: thickness, density, curl, aggregation, and cloud coverage. Cloud coverage determines where clouds appear in the sky. This is especially useful for creating more stylized effects. For instance, if you want low clouds to appear only near the horizon for a cleaner composition, simply switch the cloud coverage mode to Skyline. You can still freely adjust the cloud amount, giving you plenty of flexibility. Similarly, if you want the sky to appear half clear and half cloudy, switch to Direction mode. You can control how much of the sky is covered. And in the Global Settings panel, use the Direction slider to fine-tune the cloud orientation. The Random Seed option works like a shuffle button. If you're happy with your settings but want to explore different cloud layouts or shapes, just adjust the slider or click the dice icon to generate new variations using the same parameters. The global settings apply to all cloud layers at once. Open this panel to adjust cloud height, movement speed, and direction, overall rotation, and offset along the X and Y axes. At the very bottom, you'll see Cast Shadows. Turn it on, and sunlight filtering through the clouds will create realistic cloud shadows on the ground. Feel free to switch it on or off depending on what your scene needs. The brand new volumetric cloud system offers endless creative possibilities, making it easy to achieve a wide range of cloud styles and atmospheres. That completes our tutorial. Thanks for watching.